Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. Again, this is Mikey, and today we are going to PartsPro QC. So naimbitahan tayo ni PartsPro to check out their store. Kasi I think they have a new showroom. So we're going to visit them and talk to them as well. Kapagkwentuhan tayo sa kanila and check out kung anong mga bago nilang products sa showroom nila. So let's go! Ayan, we are now here at the PartsPro HQ shop. So let's check out what's inside. Hey, we have Boss Billy. What's up? Hi, Jolens.
Hi!
Yun, si Jolens ata mag-a-assist sa atin for today. So, where do we start?
Here po at your showroom ni PartsPro.
Okay, let's go! Wow! Ito na yung bagong showroom na Jolens.
Yes po. We have multiple brands po na meron dito sa showroom natin. Una-una po yung BREMBO.
Yan, we have the BREMBO pads. Ceramics. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Yes. Yan, we have the BREMBO pads here. The LED Manila LED bulbs, of course.
Blow pump.
C-Tech. Yung mga C-Tech nila. Yan, para pang jumpstart sa battery. Other PIA bulbs. Wipers. Wheels. Rota ba to?
OZ po and Rota.
OZ and Rota. And what else do we have here?
Suspension.
The suspension. KW. Ayan, look at that. You can also order your KWs here at PartsPro. And the pedal box. DT system pedal box. And ano to mga to?
Car care products.
Car care products. So, ayan o.
Lubricants.
So, you have the Worth, Preston, and other brands, AMS Oil. So, kompleto sila dito. Do you have MOTUL here?
Yes po.
Yan, check natin. Saan yung MOTUL mo?
Dito, sir.
Yan, we have the MOTUL oils. Yan, they have the 300V oils here. The MOTUL brake fluids. Mga other fluids din, Liquimoly brands. Nakamichi na head unit, they have. Yan, then where's the other MOTUL oils? Over here. Yan. Yung H-Tech Plus nila, available din dito. Itong X-Clean, pang diesel ba to?
Pang gasoline.
Pang gasoline din. So, ayan, they have it here. Ayan, pang diesel. And of course, my favorite, the TRD MOTUL engine oil. And ito yung mga pang diesel na CRDI. So, ayan, you can order your MOTUL here at PartsPro. PAA, ano pa ba?
Overspec.
Yeah, overspec. Ayan, we have overspec here, mga plate frames. Available in different colors. Sino to? Award. Kanina award yan. Yan, dehumidifier they also have here. Microtex, back to zero.
Yan, sir, sa taas, meron tayong mga headrest.
Ay, mga headrest na monitor, no? Speakers. They have. And yung Imagine Go na book. Ayan, no? Siyempre. Ayan. So, they can also order online, di ba?
Yes po.
So, what's the website for PartsPro?
Partspro.ph.
Yan, you can order doon.
Yes po. May multiple channels din po kami. FB page, Viber, website. Meron din po kaming online, Shopee and Lazada po.
Oh, kumpleto.
Yes po.
At the palm of your hands, pwede ka umorder, no? Pindot-pindot ka lang, add to cart. So, hindi naman kailangan always pumunta sa PartsPro. You can always order online as well para traffic no? Malayo tayo sa QC. So, kung you are outside QC, mas magandang umorder online sa PartsPro. They have a lot of available brands for all of our car needs. So, what else?
We do cash on delivery po.
Cash on delivery din, pwede. O ha?
Ipa-flash namin dito ang QR code ng Viber store ng PartsPro.
Yan. Yan. Sige, we'll flash the QR code. We are now inside the office of PartsPro. So, Jolens, tour mo naman kami.
Let's go po.
Ayan,
Ito
so we
po
have...
yung accounting department namin. Sila po yung nagpa-process ng mga documents namin.
Hi!
Sa other side naman po, yung sales po natin. Sila po yung makakausap nyo kapag meron po kayong inquiry or any concern or any order po na purchase kay Parts.
Ayan, pag umorder pala ako online, sila kausap ko sa Facebook, Instagram, sila ang sasagot.
Yes po.
Yan. Pwede ba silang chatmate? De, joke lang.
Ito naman sir sa baba, ito yung dispatching natin.
Dispatching team.
Opo. Then si sourcing po, we can source locally and internationally. Sila po yung nagsusource na staff namin.
Nice!
Then yung inventory man po namin, tapos sa loob po yung stocking.
Wow, ang laki din pala, no? Ang dami. Punong-puno dito sa office nyo. I like it. And also, we have other products here, no? Pristine, BS1, kompleto, Sonax, Ardeca. Yan, kompleto din, no? Yan. So, Jolens, I heard meron kayong anniversary na paparating, ha?
Yes po, abangan nyo po yung 6-year anniversary po ni PartsPro. Meron po kami mga promo na ilalabas po, abangan nyo po yun.
Alright, so ayun, abangan natin. PartsPro will be having a giveaway on their anniversary. So stay tuned on our channel. We will give more details about it. So this is it. Ito na ba? Nakikita
Yes.
natin no?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
alright, so this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey. Thanks for watching. Peace.